The producer surplus is basically what is the producer willing to charge for the product, what is the willingness price that they're willing to take, and that is shown by the supply curve. Supply curve shows the willingness and ability of suppliers to sell a good at various price levels versus what is the actual price that they're charging, and that's the market price. Okay, that's the market price. Now graphically, if this is the supply curve, okay, if this is the supply curve, quantity price, for the first unit, the producers are willing and able to charge $2 for the good. For the 2 units, so per unit, they're willing and able to charge 4. For 3 units, they are willing and able to charge, let's say, 6. Now, area below the supply curve, like this, represents how much they're willing to charge, $2. That's the lowest price that the producer is willing to charge for the first unit, $2. For second unit or per unit, they're willing to charge 4 at least. Okay. Now, what is the price that they're actually charging? Let's say they're charging 6. That's the market price. This is the price what they're actually charging. This will come from equilibrium or so. So what's happening for the producer? They were willing to charge $2, but they are getting $6 for it. So definitely there's an advantage of about $4 right here. 6 minus 2, $4. For the second unit, they're willing to charge $4. They're getting $6. दो का इधर advantage हो गया. For the third unit, the willingness and what they're actually charging is exactly the same. So area above the supply curve and below the market price represents the producer's surplus. Okay. Area below it basically represents that what is the minimum prices they want. This is the lowest region that they want to get paid. Purple is the area which is the addition to them. 6 into 3 is the total revenue. So जो producer को total revenue मिलेगा वो 18 का मिलेगा. इसमें से half into base into height. This will go to the producer as the surplus. The rest of the half into base into height will be their minimum requirement for the resources that they're utilizing. Anyhow, so on this note, if for some reason the price is to fall down, the market price for the product goes down, what happens to the new consumer surplus? Well, since the prices have gone down, the new consumer surplus is this area. Okay. And the loss to the the new producer surplus is this area. Okay. And there's a reduction, obviously, by how much? By this shaded region. This is the loss in the producer surplus. If the price was to go up, there would have been an increase in the producer surplus.